welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make this simple lacy shell stitch, and as you can see here I have already used it in one of my projects. It looks really nice and it's also very easy to make. So I use it here as in the main part of my top, and I also use it here as an edging. So let's begin. For this tutorial I'll be using 2.5mm hook and a ball of cotton yarn. So you can use any type of yarn and also any type of hook that goes with it. So for this stitch you will need multiples of 6 plus 3. I have already made a chain of 21 and I also did 21 single crochet stitches. So the reason why I did it is because it's much easier to make shells when you have thicker, base, rather than just going straight into the chain. So you can also do that, and you can make your row of 21 single crochets, and then you can also pause the video and then you can catch up later. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to skip 1, 2, 3 stitches. So not counting the stitch here, the one that's where your hook is, you're just gonna go 1, 2, 3, and you're gonna go in the fourth one. You're gonna make double crochet. So 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, and 3 double crochets. I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2, and then you're going to do 3 double crochets again, 1, 2, and 3. And this is our first shell, and now we're going to carry on in the same way. We're just going to skip 5 single crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to do another shell in the 6th. So 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, 3 double crochets, and then you're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and then you're going to do 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, and 3 double crochets. And this is our second shell, and now we're going to continue the same way. So now you're going to skip 5 again, 5 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to go in the 6th one. You're going to chain, you're going to do 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, 3 double crochets, and you're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and then you're going to do another 3 double crochets, 1, 2, and 3. Yep, so these are our first 3 shells, and to finish this round we're just gonna do the double crochet in the last stitch here. So you're gonna have like 4 stitches, 4 single crochets left. You're just gonna do a double crochet in the last stitch here. Okay. And this is how you finish the round. So you're gonna do the double crochet, one double crochet in the last stitch here. And now to start our next round, we're gonna chain 1, 2, and 3. And we're gonna continue the same way. We're gonna do shell on top of each shell of the previous round. So we're gonna turn our work now, and we're gonna do on the top here where you have chain 2 space from the previous round, you're gonna do another 3 double crochets. So 1, 2, 1, 2, and 3. And then we're gonna continue in the same way. We're gonna go right in the middle of the shell of the previous round, and we're gonna do 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, and 3 double crochets, and then you're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and then you're going to do another 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. So it's pretty much the same as we did in the previous round. It's quite easy. You just go on the top of each shell of the previous round, and we're gonna do our last shell same way. We're gonna go right in the middle. Gonna do 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, and then 3 double crochets, and then we're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and then we're going to do 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, and 3 double crochets. And this is how you do the simple lacy shell stitch. So to finish the second round, I also need to tell you that you need actually to do the same way as you did before. You need to do 1 double crochet in the last chain. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're gonna go right on the top of the chain, third chain of the previous round. So this is going to be this one. Okay, we're going to do one double crochet on the top of the third chain of the previous round, and this is what we did. And for the next rounds, again, you will do the same thing. You're gonna go on the top of each shell and you're gonna do a double crochet on top of the double crochet of the previous round, chain 3, turn your work, continue same way, doing shells on top of the shells, and then again you're gonna do double crochet and on the top of the double crochet of the previous round. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Give me thumbs up and subscribe for more. Have a nice day.